Question hook, ever wondered if you can buy Bitcoin on Newton? We've all been there, staring at the crypto landscape, wondering where to start. Well, today, we're diving deep into that very question. Building context. Newton, a brief overview. Let's talk about Newton. It's a popular Canadian crypto trading platform that has gained significant traction in recent years. But can it handle the king of crypto, Bitcoin? Bitcoin, the digital gold, Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency, has captured the world's attention. Its decentralized nature, limited supply, and potential for high returns have made it a sought-after asset. Key points. Newton's Bitcoin offerings. Buying and selling. Can you buy and sell Bitcoin directly on Newton? Let's find out. Fees. What are the fees associated with buying and selling Bitcoin on Newton? Are they competitive? Security measures. How does Newton ensure the safety of your Bitcoin investments? Comparing Newton to other platforms. Fees. How do Newton's fees compare to other popular crypto exchanges? User experience. Is Newton's user interface easy to navigate, especially for beginners? Supported cryptocurrencies. Does Newton offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin? Real-world examples. User testimonials. Let's hear from real users who have bought Bitcoin on Newton. What was their experience like? Case studies. Are there any notable success stories or investment strategies involving Bitcoin on Newton? Addressing common concerns. Market volatility. How can you manage the risk associated with Bitcoin's price fluctuations? Regulatory landscape. What are the regulatory implications of buying and selling Bitcoin in Canada? Technical knowledge. Do you need to have a deep understanding of blockchain technology to invest in Bitcoin? Conclusion. Recap key points. Let's summarize the key points we've discussed, including whether you can indeed buy Bitcoin on Newton. Final thoughts. Based on our analysis, is Newton a suitable platform for buying Bitcoin? What factors should you consider before making a decision? Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Bitcoin or exploring other cryptocurrencies, where can you go? Outro. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions or want to share your experiences with buying Bitcoin on Newton, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.